special symbols. The C language support a set of special symbols which include symbols to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction. So symbols pathina plus, minus, star, then slash, equal to operator. And then for checking conditions lesser than symbol, greater than symbol, question mark, exclamation mark, colon, semicolon, comma, full stop. இப்படி எக்கச்சக்கமான ஆபரேட்டர்ஸ் இருக்கு. These are the examples for special symbols. இப்போ one by one நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். So first one is exclamation mark. அதோட ASCII value வந்து 33. The next one is double quotation mark. ASCII value is 34. Then third one is hash symbol. ASCII value is 35. Then dollar symbol. ASCII value 36. Then percentage. ASCII value 37. Then next one is and ampersand symbol. ASCII value is 38. Then single quotation mark. ASCII value 39. Then open parenthesis, ASCII value 40. Then close parenthesis, ASCII value 41. Then next one is star, asterisk symbol, ASCII value is 42. Then first one is plus, ASCII value is 43. Then comma, 44, minus 45. This one is full stop or dot, 46. Then this one is forward slash, ASCII value is 47. Then next one is colon. ASCII value is 58, then semicolon 59. This one is lesser than symbol, ASCII value is 60. Then this one is equal to operator, ASCII value is 61. Then greater than symbol, ASCII value is 62. Then next one is question mark, ASCII value is 63. At symbol, ASCII value is 64. Then left square bracket, ASCII value is 91. Then this one is backslash symbol, 92. Then right square bracket, ASCII value is 93. Then this symbol is called caret symbol, ASCII value is 94. Then this one is underscore, ASCII value is 95. Then last one is gravis or backtick symbol, ASCII value is 96. Then this one, first one is left curly brace, ASCII value is 123. Then vertical bar, ASCII value is 124. This one is right curly brace, ASCII value is 125. And last one is tilde symbol, ASCII value is 126.